Hey, okay, welcome back to round two for this Sunday night. Trying to install uh, the UV package management system onto a FreeBSD based system. It's actually GhostBSD, but it's FreeBSD. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to install it by installing pip first through the package manager, the GhostBSD package manager. Okay. But of course, if you're in the area, stop by the chat session and give me a few encouraging words. I can use a few right now, okay? So we're going to start first up here. Because if you recall last time we installed GCC, we installed CMake, and we installed NIMJA, whatever NIMJA is. Personal. What's that? File management, preferred applications, so forth. Startup applications, internet, proxy. Okay, application, and a system administrator. So we're going to uninstall UV. Okay, then we're going to install pip through the package manager, because what Python's installed but not pip, and I don't quite understand that. But at least if it is, I can't find it. Let's just make absolutely sure it's out here someplace. Okay. Okay. So we're going to uninstall UV. Then we're going to install pip. Then we're going to run pip install UV. Okay. Apply. Confirm. Of course, as I said in the previous video, it's actually a slightly older version. The current version is like 8.2.0. This is like 8.1.8 or something like that. So this will take a moment to uninstall, I believe. Okay, good. So that means it's done. Now we come up here instead. We're going to install pip 3. Now, I don't understand why people install pip, but not we'll have to install this as root. So we found pip. Okay. See, that's a later version. Oh, man. Let's do sudo pip. Okay. Not very helpful, is it? This is annoying. The trouble with the fact, yeah, BSD is open source, right? But unfortunately, it's not widely supported in terms of packages. Okay, you saw it in the first video, right? Yeah, I installed UV from the package manager, and I got errors when I tried to install Panda. So I installed GCC, and I installed CMake, and I installed what's the other package? Ninja, and I still couldn't get this off. So I thought, well, you know what? I'll install pip2 package manager. I installed pip2 package manager, still getting errors. Okay. By the way, if you actually watch the video, I actually did. It seems like you're having an issue with the installation of UV package, specifically related to the metadata generated processing and missing Rust installation. And a missing Rust installation. Oh man. Install Rust. Could that be why I wasn't able to use the UV package from the package manager? So I didn't have Rust installed. I thought UV was distributed as a binary, so you shouldn't need Rust installed, right? Anyway, drop by this chat session. Give me a few encouragement words right now. I can certainly use it. Let's check the rest of the code here. Of course, there's some radicals. So may I even say liberal Democrat and radicals in the kernel project who are trying to force Rust into the kernel against Linus T's wishes. Okay. What's the reason? Hey, it's fast. It's more secure. It's not as easy. It does a better job of memory management. It's a more secure stuff. Blah 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 blah. That's all right. But there's even a movement to convert GN utilities, core utilities, to interesting. Okay. So then do Rust C dash version. Oh, very good. So that works. So maybe we actually have to have Rust installed in order to run it, but it doesn't say that in the package manager, does it? So we'll see what happens here. This, by the way, this could take a few moments. So if you want to walk away, get a cup of coffee or something and come back, that's quite all right. And always, if you are in the background there, stop by that chat session. Give me a few encouraging words. I've had kind of a rough night with data cleaning and trying to get UV up to work and stuff like that. Just stop by, give me a few words of encouragement. Let's check and see how the first video ran. Well, so, no, shoot, it didn't work. Crap. What is this? Jeez. Okay. So it could be that it's it's missing a bunch of dependencies. So let's try one more time. Administration, let's go back and install it one more time from here. So, see, there it is. So why would it be in here if it doesn't work? Okay. I mean, I suppose we at this point, right? We can't even install a package using, well, can we install a package using pip? Oh, that's a good question. Well, this looks promising. Oh, crap. We are so close. Can we install now, if we can't even install pip here, we're in trouble. Okay. We could have, of course, used, hey, pip environment, right? Or Python environment, VENV, virtual environment, right? So, the real question is this, why we can't even install pip? Can we come up here? You know what? Let's just leave it alone for right now. Let's see if we can get a reply from from one of the groups, okay? So that's round 2. That's round 2 of how not to get UV to work on GhostBSD.